Touching the truth.
Hello and welcome back to the sleekTsunami channel. Today we're going to be doing another tutorial for you guys. We're going to be doing an FPS limit. Now in the main game, or in the game in general, there is no setting to add an FPS limit. You can add VSync, but that adds stuttering, so let's just stay away from stutters. So the way I do it, you go down to your Windows search bar, go to My Games, okay? Open that up. You're going to go to Rainbow Six Siege. And now there's two folders here for me. The reason there is two is because I have two accounts. So I have my sleekTsunami and I have sleekTsunami. So this account is my main and this account is my alt. So we're going to be doing my alt account for right now. Go to Game Settings. Open this up. And you'll have your display settings, all this stuff. Don't change this, you really don't need to. Unless you want to change like your FOV, your brightness, stuff like that. But we're going to go down to display. Now display is where your FPS limit, it'll say right here, FPS limit minimum of 30 FPS. So the lowest you can go is 30 FPS. No, I don't know why you would want to go under, but that's the lowest you can go. So FPS limit it starts at 0 if you don't have an FPS limit already. I'm going to change mine to 60 because the reason you would want to add an FPS limit is so your recording isn't laggy and isn't corrupted, because I've had moments where I'm recording at 120 FPS and it just gets corrupted and I lose all that great footage. So go ahead and save that, or you can just do Control S, close that, and close that. Now go ahead and launch your game. So now that you've launched your game, if you want to make sure that you can see this little bar, I don't know, some people don't know about it, you go to Options, you go to Gameplay, and you go to Display Game Info. So boom, it's off, boom, it's on. Ironically enough, my footage actually got corrupted, so we're going to be playing some Snake. I am doing this overlay, so I'm not actively talking while I'm playing. So if you guys did find this video useful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I do post montages. If you want to check those out, I'll put them as an end card. So check those out. They're pretty cool. I put some good effort into those. But that's pretty much the end of the video. Use the FPS limit for recording purposes. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed and this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.